All right, I'm very pleased with this. I believe that this is about 4 ounces of rice glue, and it's pretty solid also paste. Now, and I'm using my old glue brush with it, and just like with the acrylic glues and everything, when you dip it in and out and you keep going back into your actual glue source, you're getting contaminants in there that might mold. This glue is not going to mold. I also have it in the refrigerator. This is my first batch, well, in many years, from a recipe I remembered. So we'll see. But I'm very pleased with it. This I have on the tail end of another video. This is a good solid bunch of tea bag container envelopes, packets. It's nice paper. I like it, making the back white, and then I can glue a backing onto it later when I make it into tags. But right now this is Frankenpaper. Some of these, it's fun if there's a little bit of glue on an envelope or something, you can just use that to get it stuck down for the time being. So I'm going to demonstrate this, but all of this has been glued with this rice paste that I made. As I said before, I really don't like working with artificial stuff. Sometimes chemical stuff is the only thing that works, but this just didn't get enough paste on it. So it's a little bit different than using the liquid Elmer's with water to do this. This is basically a paper mache glue. It's shoji screen glue is what it is, and it lasts a long time. So here's a nice little transparent used tea bag. Okay, and I'm just going to take some of this. Notice I put a little cracker thing back there. I'm just going to get it onto there real well. And again, these are absorbent papers. If you're going to be working with like magazine paper that's slick, then you should probably take one of those little sanding blocks and rough up the paper a bit, break up the paint so that the fibers of the paper can come out to blend together, because that's what basically we're doing here. So, but this is cardboard. See? Glued it on, it's stuck. Woo, bendable. Nice, huh? And a little goes a long way. So you can keep your paste in the refrigerator and take a couple of tablespoons full out for doing a work session. And the advantage of this also is that this is all wet and everything, but it's not going to stick to what you're sitting it on as unexpectedly. You know, with working with the Mod Podge and with the Elmer's glue all that, not glue all, I'm sorry, school glue that's watered down, we need to put a very good bunch of backing behind it and leave it behind it until it dries, because it'll stick to everything, but nothing sticks to this. So save these for all of your gluing projects. Even if you've got some ceramics you need to glue back together and you're using super glue, I don't think super glue sticks to it either. So, and I mentioned it on the other one when I was yanking on this to see how strong it was. Whee! It's strong. Well, close to the end, actually, the paper tore. Oh, here. I think when I didn't glue it on after, yeah. the paper actually tore on the tea bags. So once you get these glued, they're very, very strong. And I think maybe I should try, especially since it's with the rice glue, alternating layers, like in paper mache, going different ways. All right. That's all. I just wanted to share this. I think I'm going to make some and put it on Etsy after it's well tested. So far, it's pretty well tested, wouldn't you say? But what about, gluing these onto the cardboard? This will accept a lot of stuff. It's very absorbent paper. So I think that's all I have to say. Look, please comment and leave a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. If you're interested in my videos in general, click on the notify button. It was a little bell. I think it's changed into something else. But you can click for notifications, and that means that on your phone you'll get a notification when I've uploaded a new one. I don't upload new ones every day or regularly. So I myself don't sign up for notifications unless there's something particular I'm expecting. But I do subscribe to a lot of things so that when I turn on YouTube to look at things, other things that I've subscribed to, all of their new stuff is coming up at the top. So anyway, but it's there if you want it, and it doesn't come knocking at your door or beeping on your phone. I don't like a lot of things beeping on my phone. But I know they're there, and I go looking for them when I'm ready. All right, thank you for watching, and keep up with this one. I'm very excited about my glue. I looked it up on Amazon, and it's a little bit expensive. So I thought if I can make some locally for people to try out and sell for like $5 or something. I don't know. I think 5. Well, I looked and see in bulk, it's like over $1 an ounce. So, and I think it's better to have it, just get it in smaller packets. I used to get it in bags about like this, plastic bags, which is about 4 ounces in Taiwan. They sell it that regularly. It's a good school glue, a scroll mounting glue. But I learned to make my own, and I'm glad I did. Got the machines going over there again.